Hello everyone, my name is Claudio Joss. I'm a dental technician from Switzerland. I work for Ivoclar in the academy in Schaan. I'm responsible for a department of laboratory prosthetics. So we do a lot of courses about digital in the CAD/CAM field. So we work with different kind of designing softwares, scanners of 3Shape, our own scanners. We have milling machines like the PM7. We have a 3D printer. We have sintering furnaces, so we work with a lot of different materials like zirconium oxides, PMMA waxes, and so on and so on. Here in Tirana, I came down for the school since about 2010. I was here every year almost to do courses about metal ceramics, all ceramics, about Team Express, about style, and so on. And this year now we start with a master school in the digital. So we just started with the 3Shape software, scanning, designing of simple cases, and this is going to be the next module in the school of the Ivodent Academy here in Tirana.